Chapter 5.
Self-knowledge and enlightenment. The Supreme Bhagwan said, O Arjun, listen how you shall know me fully without any doubt, with your mind absorbed in me, taking refuge in me, and performing yogic practices. I shall impart you self-knowledge, together with enlightenment, after comprehending that nothing more remains to be known in this world. Scarcely one out of thousands of persons strives for perfection of self-realization. Scarcely one among those successful strivers truly understands me. Definitions of matter, consciousness, and spirit. The mind, intellect, ego, ether, air, fire, water, and earth are the eightfold transformation, or division, of my material energy, Prakriti. The material energy is my lower nature. My other higher nature is spirit, Purush, by which this entire universe is sustained, O Arjun. Know that all creatures have evolved from this twofold energy, and I, the Supreme Being, am the source of origin, as well as dissolution of the entire universe. The Supreme Spirit is the basis of everything. There is nothing higher than me, O Arjun. Everything in the universe is strung on me like jewels are strung on the thread of a necklace. O Arjun, I am the sapidity in the water. I am the radiance in the sun and the moon, the sacred syllable Om in all the Veds, the sound in the ether, and potency in human beings. I am the sweet fragrance in the earth. I am the heat in the fire, the life in all living beings, and the austerity in the ascetics. O Arjun, know me to be the eternal seed of all creatures. I am the intelligence of the intelligent and the brilliance of the brilliant. I am the strength of the strong that is devoid of lust and attachment. I am lust, Cupid, in human beings that is in accord with righteousness, Dham, for the sacred and sole purpose of procreation after marriage, O Arjun. Know that three modes, gunas, of nature, goodness, passion, and ignorance, also emanate from me. I am not dependent on or affected by the gunas, but the gunas are dependent on me. Human beings are deluded by the various aspects of these three gunas of nature. Therefore, they do not know me, who is eternal and above these gunas. Who seeks God? This divine power, Maya, of mine, consisting of three modes, gunas, of nature, is very difficult to overcome. Only those who surrender unto me can easily cross over this Maya. The evildoers, the ignorant, the lowest persons who are attached to demonic nature and whose power of discrimination has been taken away by divine elusive power, Maya, do not worship or seek me. Four types of virtuous ones worship or seek me, O Arjun. They are the distressed, the seeker of self-knowledge, the seeker of wealth, and the enlightened one who has experienced the Supreme. Among them the enlightened devotee, who is ever united with me and whose devotion is single-minded, is the best, because I am very dear to the enlightened, and the enlightened is also very dear to me. All these seekers are indeed noble, but I regard the enlightened devotee as my very self. One who is steadfast becomes one with me and abides in my supreme abode. After many births, the enlightened one resorts to me by realizing that everything is, indeed, my manifestation. Such a great soul is very rare. Persons whose judgment has been carried away by various desires, impelled by their karmic impression, samskar, resort to celestial controllers and practice various religious rites. God can be seen in any image of worship. Whosoever desires to worship whatever deity, using any name, form, and method, with faith, I make their faith steady in that very deity. Endowed with steady faith, they worship that deity and fulfill their wishes through that deity. Those wishes are, indeed, granted only by me. Such material gains of these less intelligent human beings are temporary. The worshippers of celestial controllers go to celestial controllers, but my devotees certainly come to me. The ignorant ones, unable to understand my immutable, incomparable, incomprehensible and transcendental form, assume that I am formless and take form just as humans do. Concealed by my divine power, Maya, I do not reveal myself to the ignorant ones, who do not know and understand my unborn, eternal, transcendental form and personality, and consider me formless. I know, O Arjun, the beings of the past, of the present, and those of the future, but no one really knows me. All beings in this world are in utter ignorance due to delusion of pairs of opposites born of likes and dislikes, O Arjun. But persons of unselfish deeds, whose karma or sin has come to an end, become free from the delusion of pairs of opposites and worship me with firm resolve. Those who strive for freedom from the cycles of birth, old age, and death by taking refuge in me, fully comprehend eternal being, the nature of eternal being, and calm, the power of eternal being. The steadfast persons who know me as everything, the mortal beings, temporal divine beings, the supersoul, even at the time of death, attain me.